You can see it's looking more realistic here. Welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you what's the basic way to edit VFX on Capcut. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. So basically you have to use green screen resources to edit the VFX on Capcut. So basically, first of all, you can easily go to the YouTube application and you can search for your particular VFX things like spaceship, green screen. I have just searched for, then select any of the video from here. Let's say this one, then tap on the share button, just copy the link, go to the browser and search for en.savefrom.net. These will lead you to this interface. Paste that particular link here, the video will be appear here, and you have to just download that video with particular resolution. After downloading that video, just go to the Capcut application and start editing your VFX thing. Just go to the new project, select your particular video, that is the video of yourself or any other videos. Tap add from the bottom right corner. So the video has been added. Now tap on the add overlay button from the bottom options, then add overlay, then select that particular VFX resource, then tap add again. So the VFX resource has been added. Then they place that particular spaceship or anything where it suits best. So let's say this one should be best. Now you have to just go to the cutout option, then tap on the chroma key, select the green screen color, go to the intensity, make it 100%, go to the shadow, make it 100%, then tap on the check mark. Okay, you can see that it has been added. Now easily you can just adjust it with anything, like if you just go to the adjust button, you can increase its brightness, contrast, anything you want, like that. Or you can increase the saturation or decrease it, as well as you can decrease the highlight for making it more perfect, as well as the temperature. You can make it fade if you want. Okay, so it may look like more realistic. Now let's see how it looks. You can see it's looking more realistic here, the VFX, you can see. So this is how basically you can do it. Again, the best way is you can add a filter on it, and that will make you more realistic. You can see the filter button, and you can go to the movies and you can select any of it. You can see it's now looking more realistic. You can see that. So that's how you can do it. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.